Welcome to the Butte Schools Health and Wellness Center, an episodic, preventative, and wellness care center exclusively serving the medical plan members of the Butte Schools self-funded programs. As an employee, retiree, or dependent covered under one of BSSP's medical plans, you are eligible to visit the Health and Wellness Center for many of your health and wellness needs. The center was opened by BSSP to provide easier access to care for BSSP members, to help members focus on their personal wellness, and to control the rising cost of medical care. Most services received in the center are free. In accordance with IRS regulations, members covered under the high deductible health plan must pay a visit fee for non-preventative services at the center. There may also be a small copayment for prescriptions dispensed at the center and for occupational services such as a TB skin test if not paid directly by your employer. The center is funded by a BSSP and operated by HealthStat Inc., which operates more than 300 similar employer-based clinics throughout the United States. The Health and Wellness Center is conveniently located at 500 Cohasset Road, Suite 24 in Chico, at the corner of Parmack and Cohasset Roads near the Department of Motor Vehicles and Chico Sports Club. Call the Health and Wellness Center appointment scheduling line at 866-959-9355 or the clinic at 530-879-7582 to schedule an appointment. For the convenience and benefit of all members, appointments are required in advance, but same-day appointments are available for immediate needs. Walk-ins are accepted only for minor lacerations, eye injuries, and other minor emergencies. The Health and Wellness Center is open Monday through Saturday. Hours vary daily, but the center is open on some days as early as 6 a.m. and many evenings until 7 p.m. in order to provide convenient hours outside of the workday. The current schedule is always available at our website, bsspjpa.org/HWC. Services available at the Health and Wellness Center include primary and acute care needs, such as treatment for flu, sinus and ear infections, cold, strep throat, and allergy care. Care for minor cuts and sprains is also available. The Health and Wellness Center also provides preventative care such as annual exams and vaccinations and can assist with disease management such as diabetes, cholesterol, and heart disease, as well as wellness issues such as weight loss and smoking cessation and much more. Health and Wellness Center also provides laboratory services, even if ordered by an outside provider, at no cost for most members.
When we first heard of a wellness center, my wife and I decided to come down here, and we first came and have a physical and a medication, and it was one benefit we found. It was very quickly in, and we didn't have to wait very much, and we got our medication very quickly. I started developing some difficulty with my breathing. I came back and Steve Canno went again, and he sent me to hospital for emergency, which and resulted into heart surgery with 5 bypass. They sent me to hospital at the right time. I could have had a heart attack and die, and luckily we caught it right in time. I'm very grateful because this is one thing you don't have with other doctor or health center, where Ken will return my call when I call to find out about my medication and everything else, or how I was doing, which is very good.
In our lobby, take a few minutes to enjoy our members' art gallery, which displays the original artwork of BSSP members. These works of art are updated on a regular basis. Be sure to let us know if you have something to display. You will be greeted by one of our medical assistants who will help you with the registration process. They will take you to one of our exam rooms where they will gather your basic medical information. Come with me on a tour. The Health and Wellness Center is staffed with certified physician assistants and nurse practitioners. These mid-level providers are licensed to diagnose and treat most medical conditions, perform minor procedures, and prescribe medications as well. Our clinicians also consult with a supervising physician as needed. You will be seen by either Ken Owen or Karen Kushner in the Chico Center. Both are longtime residents of Chico and have many years' experience as urgent and primary care providers. Each is dedicated to your medical needs and committed to helping you improve or maintain your wellness. In addition, Karen has experience in women's and behavioral health, and Ken has experience in orthopedic medicine and physical therapy. The medical assistant may return to administer any vaccinations or laboratory tests needed before you are discharged. You may visit the Health and Wellness Center as soon as your medical coverage through BSSP is effective. For baseline information, we do suggest you complete a 15-minute health risk assessment either at one of our district-based events or the Health and Wellness Center. Health risk assessment will include a health and wellness questionnaire. We will then record your height, weight, blood pressure, and this will be followed by a fasting blood test for lipids and glucose. The results of your HRA will be mailed to your home approximately 2 to 3 weeks after your appointment. HRA results letter will detail any risk factors identified from your assessment and will indicate when you should make your next appointment. Rest assured that all medical information processed at the Health and Wellness Center is governed by strict confidentiality laws, including the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA. Individual information will not be disclosed to anyone other than you or another healthcare professional with whom you have asked to have care coordinated.
My name is Eugenia Roberts, and I'm an employee of Chico Unified School District, and I have worked for over 21 years. Oh, they have helped me very much. My experience here is they listen, and also I had some problems and I solved my problems without to go really to bigger places, to the doctors and spend money. Or I am very pleased, very blessed and very happy this clinic has been, not just for me, for everybody else.
We have opened the Health and Wellness Center with the goal of reducing the rising cost of healthcare for our membership. When you seek services at the Health and Wellness Center rather than another care provider, both you and the plan membership realize savings. Your personal out-of-pocket costs are reduced, and the cost of claims are reduced as well. As a self-funded plan, any savings on claims dollars offsets future premium increases. The center is also focused on maintaining and improving members' health in the hopes of reducing the overall need for medical care of the membership.
My name is Ron Walcott, and I work in the Oroville City Elementary School District. I rarely go to clinics in general, but about 6 months ago, I came down with poison oak, as I've been known to do in the distant past, and it tends to stick around. I'm unable to get a handle on it, so I knew I had to go somewhere before it got worse. And so my first thought was to the Oroville Clinic, and then I remembered this one was going to open up soon. So I called over here. They got me in that day, which is a shocker, right away. And then I came in the door. They brought me right in. I didn't have to hardly do anything. They just knew I was coming. I went straight in, didn't have to wait. They gave me different avenues of attacking the poison oak, and we tried them, and it got a little better. But then suddenly it came back on me, and I believe it was because I wore some clothes that probably had it on it still. So they know me by name here now, and having not been to a clinic in a long time, it feels weird to know everybody now. But they were always super helpful. My wife is now coming over here for her health risk assessments, as I am. It's really convenient that I see how this could be a very good benefit for a young family who's new to the district, and that they could be worked into the system so quickly and efficiently.
After visiting the center, I am sure you will agree that it meets the goal of providing convenient and lower cost care while helping you and your family meet your wellness goals. Take care.